Hello, we from Group 3. We present about improving soil structure for crop growth. So we have 5 members. So first is Muhammad Shahmi Ashraf. Second one is Darwish Amzal Hakim. And then myself, Khair Faris, Christian Paul. And last one is Leslie Xavier. Soil structure refers to how particles of soil are grouped together into aggregate, also called pets, that are commented or bound together by physical, chemical, and biology process. So, okay, soil quality.
What is a type soil? Okay, remember, clay soil are usually very fertile. Clay soil should not be worked when wet. It causes compaction of the soil. The best amendment for soil of any texture is organic matter, the decaying remains of the plant and animal. In clay, it differs that tightly packed particle apart. Drainage is improved and the soil is easier for plant root to penetrate. In the sand, it lodges in the large pore space and acts as a sponge, slowing drain so the soil stay moist longer. Okay. Soil pH. pH is control a wide range of physical, chemical, and biological process and properties that affect soil fertility and the plant growth. So pH will reflect the acidity level in soil, significantly influence the availability of the plant nutrient, microbial activity, and even the stability of soil aggregate. Okay, certain the micronutrient is Fe, Mn, and Z. And typically, soil pH value from 6 to 7.5 are optimal for plant growth.
What is compost? Okay, what is compost? So technically, clay soil and sandy soil, both of them will benefit from the incorporation of compost, which means good quality compost will feed our soil, which in turn will feed our plants. So compost is actually rich in microbial life, which transform the nutrients and minerals from the compost and your soil or our soil into a form that plant roots can readily utilize. So that means adding compost to a sandy or clay soil, it will improve the soil structure, which in turn make the crop healthier. Natural cycling of nutrients has occurred from the soil to plants and animals, and then lastly back to the soil. So this cycle will help to maintain the essential nutrients required for plant growth in the soil.
Next, I want to talk about mulch. What is mulch? What is function of the mulch? So mulch helps the soil to retain moisture and help prevent compaction. 2 or 3 layer of mulch will help keep plant roots cool in summer. A thick layer of mulch really does a good job for preventing weed growth. Mulch also help rainwater penetrates into the soil instead of running off. Over time, the microorganism in soil will break down the mulch and provide a source of nutrients to your plants. So as we can see here, mulch.
So the last part is pasture and the plant residue. And what is pasture and plant residue? So as we know, a pasture paste is useful for improving the structure of a fully structured soil, since it allows the soil organic matter to build up. In addition, pasture continually add organic matter to the soil via root and decaying shoot. Thus, pasture also protect the soil surface better than crop, since the surface cover is usually maintained throughout the year. This will benefit the soil in the following ways, such as plant residue on the soil surface break down to form compound that help increase the structure of the soil. Secondly, Plant residue encourage the surface feeding of the soil animals such as earthworm. Earthworm burrow benefit the soil by creating pores through the soil, encouraging the movement of water and air and the growth of the plant roots.